Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome. Chapter 1. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome enabling the function. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and then select Settings. Then in Privacy and Security, click on Site Settings. After that, click on Additional Content Settings. Then click on PDF Documents. Confirm that the box Open PDFs in Chrome is activated. You can open a PDF file to check that it opens in the browser. Chapter 2. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome deleting cookies and history. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and then select Settings. Then in Privacy and Security, click on Clear Browsing Data. After this, select the time range, activate all the boxes and click on Clear Data. You can check if the PDF opens in Chrome. Chapter 3. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome using incognito mode. To begin, right-click on the Google Chrome icon in the taskbar. Click on New Incognito window. After that, in the address bar, paste the path of the PDF. Check that it opens without problems. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. Chapter 4. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome resetting the browser. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and then select Settings. Then reset settings. After that, click on Restore settings to their original default. Finally, click on Reset settings. Open the PDF and confirm that it opens in Chrome. Chapter 5. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome resetting hardware acceleration. To start, open Chrome, click on the menu and then select Settings. After that, in the system, temporarily disable the switch, use hardware acceleration when available, then activate it again. Check that the PDF file opens without problems. Chapter 6. How to fix error can't open PDF on Chrome from Control Panel. To start, open the Control Panel from the search box. Now click on Uninstall a program. After that, select Adobe Acrobat, click on Change. After this, click Next. Activate the repair box. After that, click Next and Update. Wait for the repair to complete. Then open the PDF to see that it works in Chrome. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.